we have three plans. First one is for online arbitrage sellers who just getting started in the business. And as I mentioned before, they will get a Chrome extension, IP alert extension, and VPN for their virtual assistant, or for them if they need to, access websites outside the United States. Also, they have integration with Google Sheets, which allows you to save information from the extension to your Google Sheets. If you go for pro plan, you also will get the seller spy feature. You're able to track up to 5 sellers. You have 20 brand analyzing reports of 20 brands per month. You have a bulk restriction checker for in your personal account, which allows you to check up to 6,000 ASINs per month. Check if you can sell them or not. And also, you'll have more capabilities in the seller assistant extension. You'll have more product lookups per month. You'll have additional Google Sheets you can connect. It will allow you to jungle your Google Sheets more easily. And also you'll have an extra account for your virtual assistant if you have those. Also, you'll have a ability to buy add-ons. You can add some, limits if you need like price list analyzer. You can buy add-on price list analyzer add-on for $24.99. And also some integrations, which allows you to connect your tools with your external systems, like Google Sheets, for example. If you need a price list analyzer, you need to choose a business plan, and you'll get 300,000 products per month. You will also have some extra sellers tracked by Seller Spy, more brands to analyze, more products to check with bulk restriction checker, more product lookups for extension, and like dedicated support manager, and more limits for API requests if you need some power users features like API access integrations, etc. Like more data you can get through this.
We're looking now at the yearly investment. So if people invest once per year, it's 159 or 299 for the pro, and business is 839. That's one-time yearly payment. Do these discounts apply for the yearly plan as well, Oleg?
Yeah. If someone watching this video have a link from Vola or a coupon code, you can use it to get a discount of 10%. Also, you can go for monthly plan, but in a monthly plan, we don't have a start plan. We don't have a plan for online arbitrage sellers. You just have a pro plan for start.
And the coupon code is going to be entered during the sign up process. So when
sign up, once you sign up, you will answer a few questions about your business, and then you will redirect it to the paywall like this. You click subscribe, and then you'll get the option to apply your coupon code.
Yeah, it's going to be in the description. Maybe here on the screen we'll leave it. I believe it's VOVA10, but better check out the description for the updated code. And this way our dear viewer can save money when signing up for Seller Assistant. I would also mention that, again, we have the other video with Oleg where we go deep. It's like a 1-hour tutorial of the Chrome extension. We go in depth. We literally showcase all the abilities of the extension. So yeah, you're also welcome, dear viewer, to ask questions in the comments if something was not covered or you want us to do something. I'll definitely will go back with that to Oleg, and we could do more content, more value. So Oleg, thank you, man, for your time today. Again, all the links are in the description. We have free trial, best discount, previous video with the Chrome extension. Also, I would include other videos if I have previously that we've done, for example, with the IP alert, part of Seller Assistant, and maybe other things. Oleg, thank you, man. Really appreciate your time.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, hope to see you again for more videos. And thank you, everyone, for listening and watching and tuning in. Have a good day.